Hello everybody, it's Marshall, back with another video. The Shamrock Shake is one of the greatest culinary inventions of all time. However, it's usually only available for a few short weeks around St. Patrick's Day. But oftentimes, I wish that I could enjoy it year-round. That is why in this video, I attempt to create a Shamrock Shake recipe that is super simple so you can make and enjoy a Shamrock Shake at any time of the year. I hope that you enjoy. Also, I promise Pokemon Week content will be back next week. Now let's get right into it. For this DIY, you will need some milk, some vanilla ice cream, and some mint extract. To decorate it, you will also need some whipped cream, some maraschino cherries, and some green sugar sprinkles, as well as some green food coloring. You will also need a blender to fully complete the recipe. First, add about 2 cups of vanilla ice cream into your blender. Then add 1 1/4 cup of milk. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract, or more to taste. This is also when you add in your green food coloring. Then put it into a blender and blend it until it reaches the right texture. When you've reached the desired consistency, stop blending, pour it into a glass, and then top with whipped cream, some sugar, and a cherry. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe for more amazing content like this. If you made a Shamrock Shake using the recipe in this video, please send it to me on Snapchat at @TheMarshallShow, or post it to Instagram and tag me at @the_Marshall_show. Comment below what you want me to do next, and as always, don't forget to stay safe, enjoy life, and have a great day. And I'll see you all next time.